What is up, YouTube? I am really excited today, and I'll tell you why. It's because my buddy Fergal is back. He has put out a brand new course, which I love. Okay, it is great, and he hasn't been in the industry for a while. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Tribe. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be stale as well. Old Lucky Charms. And I'm talking about Lucky Charms because Fergal is Irish and, well, luck of the Irish and all that. I'm even wearing a different hat, which looks a bit more Irish. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, really, it's enough, okay? Fergal actually puts out good stuff. He hasn't put out something out in a while because he wanted to make something good. Okay, stop it. Anyway, seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here on lovely mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart, you know, and you know, what the hell? Why not? Even though she says the same thing every day also, I don't mind her saying the same things because she's such a sweetheart. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now, this is the sales page for Tribe from my friend Fergal Downs. He's also launched together with Ben Martin. Now, here's the thing. In the past year or so, I've been seeing a lot of junk being published in the make money online world. A lot of really crappy stuff, okay, that is just worthless garbage. All right, and it's become harder and harder for me to find something good to talk about on this channel because, frankly, people are putting out rehashed junk that just does nothing for you. It's worthless. It's crap. And Fergal actually kind of got out of the industry for a while. I don't think he's launched in over a year now. And this is his first time back because he's actually got something worthwhile to share. And you can see here, this is from ClickBank. It's not from Warrior Plus, which is really cool. You can see the kind of numbers he's been doing on ClickBank. And so this really shows you that money can be made elsewhere, not just from Warrior Plus. Now, what the method is going to teach you, by the way, works on Warrior Plus, it works on JVZoo, works on ClickBank, it works for pretty much any niche. Okay, it's not limited to the make money online niche, just so you know. But the bottom line is that this is something that actually does work. You can actually make real money from these methods. And I've tested it myself. It actually does work. It's something that I used to do for a long time. I kind of got out of it for a while, but I think I'm going to start going back to it because I know that it does work. And it's something you have to keep maintaining it. It doesn't take a lot of maintenance once you get it started, though. It takes maybe a couple minutes a day, and my custom boss is really going to help you out with that, by the way, because as always, I have one of the craziest custom bonuses you're ever going to see. So here's the deal. First of all, I have my own video course about Facebook and how to build a tribe on Facebook. Okay, the right way to get followers on Facebook. And it's a secret video that very few people have seen. I'm going to give you to, I'm not just going to give it to you, I'm going to give you PLR on my course. Okay, you're going to be able to get PLR. You're going to be able to mention that it's from Eric Hammer, the man in the hat. I think I've developed a pretty good reputation for putting out ethical, quality products, and this one is one of my best. It's a really great course. I haven't released it a lot. Very few people have seen it. You're going to be able to give it away with PLR, but I'm not done yet. Okay, I've also got 20 inspirational quote videos that you can use on Facebook to start building up people's interest in what you have on Facebook. I haven't released them in a long, long time. Giving you PLR on that too. Okay, so you got PLR on my course, you got PLR on my 20 videos, but I'm not done yet because I like to go crazy. And to celebrate Fergal coming back into the market, I am going to also give you reassignable. That means that you can give away or sell PLR to these on 5 more courses. You have 5 more courses with reassignable PLR. That means you can actually sell it to somebody else, and they can have PLR on it too to sell it to somebody else as well. How cool is that? That is totally wild, totally bonkers. You're going to get 5 courses with reassignable PLR. You're going to get my course on Facebook with PLR. Okay, so you can sell it, give it away. You don't have the right to sell PLR on that, but you do have PLR on it. You can sell it to somebody else, give it away, use it as a bonus, whatever you want. Plus, you're going to get my 20 inspirational quote videos that you can use for driving traffic on Facebook or Instagram or wherever you like. You can even put them up on YouTube if you like. And you're going to get PLR on those as well. Plus, you get reassignable PLR on 5 additional courses. Nobody else is going to offer you something like that. But let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area for Tribe. It's a really, really cool course. Okay, basically, Fergal mastered this method of building a tribe on Facebook, and he has built groups on Facebook with tens of thousands of followers. And he basically, once he gets it going, it takes just a couple of minutes a day to keep it going. Okay, literally, it's the sort of thing you can do in your spare time. A few minutes when you wake up in the morning, you're sitting there sipping your coffee. Go and post something, post something in your group. Respond to a couple of comments, and you're good to go. Okay, it's literally like 5-10 minutes of work to get it going, and you can make so much money. Okay, again, you can see the kind of money that Fergal is able to make. This is doable. I know it's doable. I've seen it. I've done it myself. And it works. It actually does work. And Fergal is proof of that. He hasn't been in the industry for a while because of the fact that he wanted to put something good, and he's got something really, really good here. Something that really does work and really does make real money for you. And once again, when you pick it up from me, and only from me, you're going to get my Facebook course. Okay, my Facebook success course, where I teach you the only method that actually works to get real followers on Facebook, because there's a particular method to do it. Most people do it in a stupid way, and they fail miserably, and they say it doesn't work, it's stupid, it doesn't work. The reason that they think it doesn't work is because they do it in a stupid way. Okay, I'm going to show you the smart way to do it, the right way to do it, the only way to do it. It's in my video. You get it for free. You get PLR to my course. That means you can sell it, you can give it away, you can put it up as a bonus, you can use it as a lead magnet on Facebook and say, hey, I've got a course from Eric Hammer, the man in the hat, a 6-figure marketer. He's going to teach this to you. Okay, and you can use my name to bank on my authority. You get that for free. Okay, you also are going to get my 20 inspirational quote videos completely free with PLR, plus 5 more courses with PLR that you're going to be able to give away and PLR onto them. You're going to get reassignable PLR on those 5 courses. Okay, now I'm not done yet though. On top of all that, pick up any upgrade to Tribe. So you pick up the front end product, which I think is like what, $12 or something. Okay, you pick that up, you're going to be able to get all these things. But you pick up any upgrade to Tribe, any upgrade at all. I don't care which one it is. I am going to do something unprecedented. Okay, I'm going to give you PLR to my own local video jackpot, not the right to give it to sell it as your own. Okay, you're going to get the videos from Local Video Jackpot, plus you get the ready-made video sales letters. You are going to have the right to sell it as your own. You can rebrand it, do whatever you want with it. Okay, that's my flagship course. That's my first course, my baby, the one that I really was so proud of. That won deal of the day for me. You are going to be able to give it away, sell it, use it as PLR, whatever you want. Okay, you're going to have all the training videos from Local Video Jackpot with all of my secrets, plus you're going to get all 10 of the front end video sales letters. You're going to have PLR rights to those as well, so you can sell it and use it as your own as a bonus if you pick up any upgrade to Tribe. So that's my bonus. That's what I'm going to be giving you. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it tip my head to the park or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed. A huge tip in my hat, because really and truthfully, this thing is awesome. Okay, it really is awesome. I know this works, and you are going to get a great bonus from me as well. Go ahead and grab this one. Get in on the luck of the Irish. This one is good. You're going to love this.